my name's Mark and I'm going to learn Welsh in a month with the help of my very lovely daughter, Erin.
Dysgu Cymraeg ar ôl symud i Ysgol Cymraeg ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 2. Mae'n sgil bwysig iawn I fi. Why do you want to learn Welsh, Dad?
I want to learn Welsh because I think it's important. I think it's important I can help you with your schoolwork. I think it's important for me to be part of the Welsh community, and that includes the language. And I think it would be good for me to be able to join in people's conversations without them having to stop their own language.
That's a very, very good reason to me to want to learn Welsh. Dyna ddigon amdano ni. Wyt ti'n barod am y prawf Cymraeg gyda?
Let's go.
I have some English words and phrases, and I'm going to say them to you, and I would like to see if you can repeat them back. If you don't know the answer, just say nesaf, which means next. You have a minute to do as many as you can. Okay?
Okay.
Minute out of clock. Ow! Crisps.
Nesaf.
Fish.
Pysgod.
Correct. Because it's funny.
Nesaf.
Because it's boring.
Nesaf.
Do you want to watch?
Nesaf.
You got 3 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrong. And there's still a couple left. That doesn't matter because we've got a whole month to teach you. Dewch nôl cyn bod hi wedi Welsh ni'n dod lan. Hwyl fawr!